last week was my 1 year anniversary of finding out I had cancer. And I was going to kind of share a little story of how I found out I had the cancer. And then, you know what? God said, let's do something a little different, like this. That's me in the ER. Yeah, there almost wasn't an episode this week. Let me fill you in on the details. Okay, so here's what happened, all right? Last week was just a mess, a complete and utter mess, but still had good things in it. It was the 1 year anniversary of finding out I had cancer and having to come home and tell my family that, oh, Dad's got cancer, but we're gonna deal with it, we'll be okay. And then Mother Nature decided to throw this huge snowstorm party over the state of Michigan and tried to bury us all and then tried to freeze us. Oh yeah, I got in a car accident. Yeah, so that happened too. Just driving home from work in the snowstorm, minding my own business, came up on an accident. I stopped, the lady behind me didn't stop, clocked me at about 45 miles an hour, which put me in that picture, yeah. And then left my car looking like this, and this, and this. Total loss. I'm back in the market for another car now. The good news is I still was able to work, even though I was still hurting. And I, at one point, actually thought that, you know what, I'm done for this week. I don't want to do anything more. I was almost not going to do a video this week, but I made commitments. I made promises to myself and to you guys this year that I am going to continue my due, come hell or high water. And this week was the hell. So I kind of proved a lot to myself this week, and I'm going to pat myself on the back as soon as I feel better and can move in that direction. I stepped up to a challenge that life threw at me, and that's going to happen on anything you take on in life. Something is going to come up and it's going to smack you. It's going to smack you hard. It might be a car at 45 miles an hour that leaves you with a little whiplash and bruises all over your body, but you just got to pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and say, I'm in it. I was down for 2 days. I still completed a recording session. I did 2 interviews for possible coaches in that time over Skype. Got my butt back to my other job to finish out the week. And now I'm just kind of relaxing, trying to continue to heal. So, moral of the story is it doesn't matter how hard they hit you, it's how quick you get back up. So, that's it for this week, and we'll see you next Tuesday behind the mic.